Well guys, it's a new day in the Matrix. This is our 9th Infiniti this year already, guys. So he has an all-around beige interior.
It's bagged too.
It is bagged. As you guys can see, he's got the beige interior, the classical, and he's gonna be getting 900 stars. And then should be looking really nice. Kind of with the Ray-Ban. Fucking with them.
Automatic.
You know, there's levels to this shit, bro. There's levels to this shit. Alright, my good peoples. This is all you need to be successful. A screwdriver, some pry bars, and some other shit. Should be able to remove this headliner pretty easily, just with these tools. Connor, I told him that this is all you need to remove a fucking Infiniti. Is that correct?
Guys, let's see.
I'm telling you, this is all you need. Headliner's out now, boys. Pretty quick. This is how it's sitting right now. We did give the customer a little follow-up because of this little crease that's on the middle, you know, wanting to see if he wants to get that little rewrap. You know, could definitely be a little ish, but right now just gonna be waiting on what he says. I'll give this a little wipe down in the meantime, and then we'll be get started. He's gonna be getting suede. We got Christian here now helping us out. Shout out to my boy Christian. So about to be doing the suede wrap, guys, and you know. The whip ski now, guys. Just got it in.
Did you get the bottom?
This is how it's looking.
Then you're fine. The top one was
Sheesh, pretty far. Alright, guys, and just like that. Finish up doing the stars. So we just give me a quick little vac. That's how it's looking. Pretty fire. Stars aren't on yet. It's still daytime, so we'll wait until nighttime to show you. But